For many financial institutions, the current process of opening an account, whether retail or commercial, starts at the branch level with a physical meeting. This past year's COVID environment significantly impacted the ways in which financial institutions deliver services and products to customers. You can deliver exceptional customer experiences digitally with commercial account opening from ProcessMaker. Customers can drive their entire application process. A banker can fill it out completely on their behalf, or a combination approach allows both parties to collaborate effortlessly to strike the right balance between gathering the right information and providing a top-notch user experience. Unlike the traditional experience of walking into a bank and opening commercial accounts, sometimes with multiple owners, subsidiaries, different services for various accounts and entities, everything is now streamlined online. With a click of a few buttons, commercial customers can now easily complete these multiple layers associated with the account opening application in under 10 minutes, without the need to even walk into a bank. The customer can easily gather and upload the required documentation with ease to ensure compliance. Acknowledge and sign the compliance documentation and terms and conditions. The customer can sign their application directly with our internal e-signature feature, and their signature will be automatically passed along to all the required signature cards and documentation pieces. We additionally support third-party e-signature services as well. The solution can be adjusted to meet the financial institution's risk and compliance policies, including running live identity verification, KYC and AML checks, as well as capturing all their due diligence requirements. The process to authenticate and verify the customer or signer and the business includes ID card verification, facial recognition, document verification, and biometric verification, as well as validation and background checks such as OFAC and other third-party systems. After the review of the online application, completion of the due diligence, and the application is approved, the customer may then fund the account. The account opening process has pre-configured alerts or triggers for various staff and personnel responsible in the value chain as the process moves forward toward completion. It offers the right roles at your financial institution a clean way to keep a finger on the pulse of the application and manage the process through an intuitive series of charts and dashboards. With ProcessMaker's account opening streamlined experience, setup can be executed in minutes. Harness the power of digital banking with ProcessMaker.